Went into college with no expectations of what I was going to do with my life, just trying to figure it out as I went along. And I took a printmaking class and totally fell in love with it. When I asked my print professor, like, what's the next step if this is what I want to do with my life, he told me getting an internship somewhere would be the way to go. And he told me that Albuquerque might be a good place to look because there's a lot of printmaking facilities here. Remarque Print Workshop, where we are, has been here for 28 years, I believe. My name's Holland Hardy, and I'm one of the co-owners here at Remarque. And I started working here almost 10 years ago in 2016. Pretty much everything we do is geared toward facilitating the arts community in our area through a number of different ways. We have the gallery, which we're in right now, where we display works on paper. Our gallery is one of the more accessible. It feels like anyone who feels the desire to be creative and a push to create new things can get a voice here and get their art out into the world. And that's one of the things I love the most about it. We also offer classes almost every weekend that cover all different types of printmaking and 2D art. And we also do membership here. So printmaking is a bit of a unique art form in that it requires heavy equipment, and so we provide all of the equipment to our members for a monthly fee, and they can come in and use all of our equipment. It's all about providing resources to the local community to learn or create or explore new things.
We are very, very open to all types of people who want to come and create. So we literally have high school students coming to create and people who are can barely make it in the door but come in because they want to keep creating. We're somewhat unique in the entire state of having the facilities that we do and in offering the range of classes that we offer. So this institution of this print shop has been around for about 25 years, but as current owners it's been about 9 years. So this is a very, very old building from the 1880s, but we are new here. And that was a huge operation that took us about 1.5 years of fundraising and planning. And so now here we are, and we're so excited to be here in this neighborhood and in this new old building.
The move from the old space to this space was a major undertaking. I think it was kind of traumatic, but I think we've done a pretty good job of getting through that and getting things up and running here.
Applying more ink to the plate or to a transparency is definitely going to give you a bolder color. So there we go. Look at that.
Oh, wow. That came out really well.
Yeah, I tightened it a bit and really put it on.
These classes can be kind of transformative for the students, and it was something was like, well, we want to do more of this. We want to kind of be offering that sort of community building opportunity as much as possible. And so that's really where our focus has been. And the hope has been, and it's worked pretty well, that we would get members kind of coming from the classes. So people kind of take a class, they kind of get hooked in it, and then they want to come and work more seriously.
My name is Stephanie Weiner, and I'm a member, a year-round member here. And I do printmaking. For me, it's been excellent. And if I wanted to have a home studio, I could, but I don't want to, because for me this is a better system, because it gives me the flexibility to be able to do silkscreen, but also woodcut, but also linoleum, but also etching. I've got storage, I've got access to events, for so many reasons. I love this place.
So I signed up for a class in 2005, and I've been a fan of printmaking ever since. I think I'm the oldest member, because I've been a member since 2005. It's helped me, with new friends and a sort of a new world of artists and going to art shows and galleries, things like that, not only here, but everywhere else. And I just think it's a great gathering place for people of like mind. I never thought I would, set out to be an artist or be creative, things like that. It just sort of fell into place, and things happen by by chance sometimes, or maybe it's preordained, I don't know, but it's been a great trip, put it that way.